Alright, subject to the problem that you sent to me. Moment, yeah. Okay, like this. Okay, subject to the toner that you sent to me, I got 4 cartridges, 2 black, 1 magenta, and 1 yellow. All actually toner runs out. Alright. First of all, I aware that some of that you have a remark over there saying that the remaining toner, how many the percentage of the remaining toner. Actually, that figure I got to emphasize not only on the one that I have on hand right now, even though for those that you buy, say you buy the new toner today, the indication over there will not be accurate, and in fact, to be more descriptive, it should be, I should I should say that the number over there is totally out of what actually in reality. All right, it's not only not accurate, inaccurate. Usually when we say about inaccurate, it will be, to normal common sense, it won't be very far from reality. But for this case, for this toner, and in fact not only for this toner, for some other brand that whereby I have experience, whereby I have serviced before that, they happens to be the same. The number is not only not accurate, it's not only inaccurate, but in fact it is totally out of reality. All right. The number, the figure, the indication, the level indication on that, in fact, is just because the printer needs a chip in order to print. All right, if you put in the toner without the chip, the printer won't be able to print. So the number, the indication, in fact, is actually is stored in the chip, but the number stored in the chip doesn't work accordingly. All right, the chip doesn't work accordingly in terms of the indication, the level indication. It only work in such a way like let the printer to print. All right, the number that's stored inside there is not really make sense. So anyway, let me show you. All right, and usually we will based on the weight, based on the sound that we can hear from the toner compartment. All right, when we knock on that, all right, we can actually know. But in order to be more accurate, or to be more fair to the user, to the buyer, then we got to open up the toner with based on the waste that generated. All right, if the waste is empty or less, then we will doubt on that whether it is the toner issue or not. Maybe the toners having some defects over there that cause the printout issue. All right, so let me show you the waste compartment condition right now. For the magenta, so this is the first toner that all right, before we proceed on that, you can see the middle, this is the what they call it, the magnetic roller. All right, the role of the magnetic roller is to absorb the toner from the toner compartment and then transfer it to the drum, transfer the toner to the drum. All right, so what I can say is the toner runs out. First of all, from the first symptom is the middle of the magnetic roller is empty, and you can see only left and right that has toner on that. So if you slightly shake on that, then we turn the toner, we rotate the toner, then you will be able to see it. All right, this is the first symptom. And then we now look at the waste. All right, the dirt over here, in fact, is the dirt caused by the waste toner, not by the toner, by the waste toner. Why it is caused by the waste toner? Because the waste compartment is totally full and the toner is actually stay at the entrance, whereby it's supposed to not to be so for a new toner. When for a new toner, whereby the waste compartment is empty, every single drop of the waste toner that generated will go into the waste toner compartment and kept inside. All right, so when the waste compartment gradually getting full, then the waste will not be able to go into the waste compartment. It will stay at the entrance. All right, the entrance at the gap over there, whereby it keep making your drum dirty. So this is also one of the symptoms that the waste is full. So let me show you, instead of giving you giving so much of technical information, let me show you what actually it looks when I open up the things. You can see the waste is full. Right now I'm actually opening up the waste compartment. Okay, I try to get you a better view, yeah. Okay. So, all right. Again, another statement that I would like to emphasize is the waste compartment will not full without any reason. It is full when you are already, the toner has been depleted. You have print up to a certain level, only then the waste compartment will full. And logically, when the waste compartment getting full means that you already finished up the waste, or else you won't have so much of waste toner being generated. The waste toner will be generated only upon your printing is getting much more and more. So let me show you the waste compartment, the condition over here. Yeah, it is full. Let me show you, take a view on that. Alright, it is full. And I will actually, of course, definitely I got to throw away the waste later on, and I will show you how does it look like after I clean it up. Alright, and this is all waste toner, and it is full. Alright, before that it is actually covered up by this wiper blade. Alright, and after I remove the wiper blade, and you can see the waste compartment is full of waste toner. So this is also proof that you have finished up the toner. Let me show you how does it look like after I throw away. Just a second. So, yeah. So this is, of course, not 100% clean off. Some will still remain there because it seems like a bit sticky for the toner. So you can see this how it looks like after I clean off a big portion of the waste toner. So this is, this proves that the waste has been the toner has been depleted. So the same I'm going to show you for the rest of 3, but I'll make a quick one since already explained that the whole theory, the whole concept of what it is actually. So later on I will open up the rest of 3 and I'll show you the condition inside, and of course at the same time I will throw away the waste in case you need the you need to take the toner, so it will get even messy if I don't throw it away. So I got to throw it away, the waste toner. So I think it's not really practical for me to keep on taking the video. I will actually off the video, and then I'll take a photo of what it looks like for the rest of the 3 toner, especially on the waste compartment, to show that it is full of toner. Definitely it's going to be full of toner. It's going to be full of toner even though I not yet open up, because based on the sound that I knock on the compartment, I already foresee that it is depleted, and by right when it is depleted, then logically the waste compartment will be full. I'll take a photo of that to show you later on. Because the memory is getting bigger, it's quite difficult for me to upload that to send it via to WhatsApp whatsoever. I got to make it short as possible so that I can send it over to you. So I'm going to finish up this, and then I will continue with the rest of 3, and I will take a photo to you. All right. Okay, I'll show you then.